Thank you for coming again. We prepared this MPS keynote, so we will present you some of the things that we are working inside MPS. We prepare this agenda. First, I will talk a little bit about marketing insights, so you can see what is happening in MPS from marketing side. Then my colleague Simon will talk about the editor, all the features that were created in last year in the 2017 releases, and the one in 2018.1 release. Artem will say some words about the generator, and Alex, our team leader, will finish with just explaining some internal project that he's working in. Okay, for the marketing insights, I decided to keep it simple. So basically, I would just tell you what happened and what we did in 2017, and what are we doing and what are we planning to do in 2018. Plus, at the end, just an overview of, in general, what we're doing inside MPS. Okay. Well, first, I'll have to tell a little bit of story. MPS was started in 2002 by Sergey Dmitriev. He's the father of MPS and also one of the co-founders of JetBrains. MPS 1.0 was released in 2009, and right now the current release is 2018.1 that was released this month. As you probably know and see, JetBrains is the company behind MPS. JetBrains is well known by making development tools and also by making Kotlin and MPS. Okay, wait. Okay, the MPS team is composed of 14 people. From there, 12 are developers, 1 tester, and myself, a PMM. We're located in 3 offices in St. Petersburg, Prague, and Munich. And actually, we're hiring. So we can use this opportunity if somebody is interested in joining the team and, well, joining the team. You can file a ticket or send us an email or let us know somehow. Okay. This is some of our users. As you probably have some logos that you know. MPS is, as you know, there are a lot of users from different industries. In here, there are like just some logos. Of course, there are more logos even inside this room that we can use. Yes. No, I know how many downloads, but no, I mean it's really hard to track. I mean, we cannot really track what are doing and who is using MPS. And even actually, I want to use this opportunity to ask, like the people that are using MPS, if it's possible to use your logo in here, please let us know. This helps us a lot for this kind of introductory talks. So this gives more trust to MPS by knowing that more companies and big companies are using MPS. Okay, for 2017, we focused on 2 main things. First one was communication and promotion. For communication, before we were focusing just in the language designer. We were focusing in people that already know MPS or people that they are somehow like related to the industry. But what we decided to make some changes is to improve the communication so we can integrate also the end users, end users, product managers, people that can also get benefit from MPS. So because of that, we redesigned the website. We create the communication and the message that we are giving in the website and all our content in a way that even a non-technical people can get it. We also create an MPS video that is a very short video of 2 minutes to explain what MPS can do. I don't want to play it now, but you can watch it in our website. And for promotion, these are like the events that we participate last year. These 7 events are the ones that we participate with a talk, plus the 100 events that JetBrains sponsors every year. We focus in the talks that in events that we can have a talk, because we believe that at the stage of MPS we need to make this introductory talk or say some words about MPS so people can be interested or curious about it. We create an SEO campaign. Right now we are in domain-specific languages in the second page of Google, language workbench projectional editor in the first. Something worth to say here is that last year we were in the third page in domain-specific languages and the second page in projectional editor. So we had some improvements in there. We're using more the social networks than before. We reborn Google Plus. I don't know if that's positive. We are more active in Reddit, specifically in subreddits no syntax, and we create our official Slack channel that now we have more than 100 people. And also, well, we are more active in Twitter, as you can see. This is like the tweet impressions of last year. So we try to create more content so we can be more visible, to make more noise. We created last year our first webinar, and we're planning to do more webinars very soon. Oh, sorry. This is our graph of downloads. We've been increasing our downloads release per release. So actually, this graph is the most interesting one, because every release we have a peak in the graph for more downloads. That's obvious. And we have been improving our release process in a way with organic way. So we improve our newsletter logs. So we use all our resources and sources to be better. And for example, in September of last year, we hit our more downloads in 1 month, and that same year in December we almost duplicated. So I think we're getting better and better, and that's also thanks to you. We're becoming more visible. And okay, for 2019, we're focusing in also promotion, building community, and education. For promotion, this is some of the events that we already participate. Language Development Meetup in Amsterdam, and next month we're participating with a talk in Java Days in Istanbul. Plus, we have some other events that we are still in the process, but we will be participating in more events. We will release a calendar with the releases of the product and also the events, so you can also know if you are there. You can say hello or whatever. And okay, empowering the community. This is also something that we try to do. This means that basically we want to work with you, the community, and help you to whatever you are doing related to MPS. We want to help you to push it, to make it more visible. So if you have any tutorial, article, paper, whatever that you are doing with MPS, please let us know. We can see a way that we can help you. Okay, for building the community, well, this is exactly what it means. I mean, we are creating more. We create this first official community meetup. Before there wasn't this old meetup that it was not official. We was more like inviting people that we know that they use MPS. But the first time we make an open invitation, and we're planning to have this event every year. Plus, we also have today, later in a couple of hours, everything you need to know about MPS. This event is a 4-hour event where we will bring people that don't know about MPS or they're curious about it, that just know a little bit. So we will just give them some examples and a little bit of an introductory talk about it. So we are planning to do more of these events, like 2 or 3 per year. That's our goal. I'm sorry? I didn't get you. Yes, we're recording the, yeah. At least the ones. The one of, yes, also. Yeah, I mean, that's also something that we want to do. For us, it was very important to record most of these talks because this helps us to really spread the word. And also the event of, in a couple of hours, we will record all the talks so we'll share it and so people can see what we are doing. Education. We're very happy that we already officially, I'm sorry? Good question. Okay, I can answer that question later when I can count you. Uh, but I think they show up more than what I expected. Okay. Um, we're creating the first introductory online course for MPS. This will be ready in a couple of weeks or maximum 1 month. Uh, this is powered by Stepic. This course is basically for people that they don't know anything about MPS. At the end of the course, you made a simple DSL of a state chart, but you have well the basics of MPS. You use the editor, we use some constraints, intentions, and the idea of this under this course, it's because we receive a lot of demand of our training, but our training was on-site. People had to come to Prague, or we have to send somebody, and of course it was more expensive. So this is our solution, a more scalable and more affordable solution to share the knowledge. We're also collaborating with Marcus and Ana Maria uh, about their tutorial of programming basics for non for people for the end user of the DSL. So, okay, I just want to get to this point that what you can do as a community to help us. So basically, it's 4 things. First one is to ask and answer content in Stack Overflow in our forum. That helps a lot. Also, share your projects and your knowledge. Create content that what you are doing. Please, let us know. That's really helpful because, most of the times we don't know what people are doing with MPS. So this kind of events is the reason why we want to really know more about it. Contribute. MPS is an open source project, as you can know. So, we are happy to receive your pull request. And contact us. We have different sources, channels of communication. And so we are really happy to hear from you and just let us know what we can do for you. And also that it's very good for us to receive your feedback so we can react better. And also one more thing, can you please, in all your other presentation, use always the new logo? This because we want the new logo. Nice. It's the MPS. Okay. That's what we're working on. Yeah, I yeah, we want to also improve that part. We're looking also for pages that have that logo to change it. And just to finish a little bit about the overview, my colleagues will talk more about in deep about this, but just for you to know a little bit of what we're doing, we're creating a new type system that is more reliable, and we really don't know when we will finish all this because there are big say projects inside MPS. We're doing generation plans now. You'll be able to control the sequence and control the generation process. We're also making the generated languages in a way, and improving the RCP story in a way that having more better UI aspects, and you can also customize the tips of the day in the RCP very soon. And I guess, okay, that's it for me. Now, Simon,